Hey guys, welcome back to a Moondog trading video. I just wanted to give you a quick update on where we're at. And also in this video, I added some moving averages for you guys because I wanted this will play more of a bigger part. And this all looks good right here when we see the 10 cross the 20, and this looks good on the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour time frame. Okay. But remember we talked about this area. We said, hey, maybe this was a possibility. And I said, hey, maybe this is a possibility we touch here, right? But if you guys remember, I drew this line right here. And I said, you can look at my video from yesterday. And I said, if we break this line, then we could touch here. And then this would be a great buy point. But at this point, I didn't really have a trade. I didn't have a trade going on. And to be honest with you, since this point, Matic and Cardano, they've pretty much stayed the same price, even though Bitcoin has gone up. Ethereum went up a little bit, about $100 maybe. So we didn't get too much price movement. I didn't really make a trade here, but I did tell you guys, if you guys were in a trade from here or here, we'd look to take profits right here, right? Because then if we do break, you could always get back in, or you wait for the confirmation, okay? Because this is what I want to talk about. I know there's always a possibility for fake outs, and this is why I'm making this video, because I don't want to do something like this and then we hit one of these moving averages, which I'll show you on the daily time frame, and then we get rejected off that daily. We come back in here, and then it can get disastrous from there. Do you get what I'm saying? So we don't want that to happen. So that's why I added the moving averages. We're going to do that on the daily time frame. This is kind of where we're looking for our next area, our next resistance here would be up in this area. So we'll look for this point, and then the next would be up in here. But right now, if we break out, we're focused on this area. If we go to the upside, this area is the area that we look to see what our next move is going to be. Maybe a potential sell opportunity and then a dip down, or let's see if there's some consolidation here for another move to the upside. This is where we have to see where we're at, especially with the moving averages. Now, I'm going to go to the moving averages, guys, and you're going to see the reason that even Ethereum, it looks good on the chart. It's coming out of a great. It's looking nice. It's stagnant at 2750, 2760 area. Matic's stuck in the 180, 182 area. Cardano is 176 to 177, and it's been there for hours now, guys. Nothing's moving because of this move right here. We're all waiting on Bitcoin. Everybody's waiting on Bitcoin to come out of here to figure out if it's going to come back down and test this and then go back up. Because even if it gets rejected here and comes back down, guys, we still got to wait for this confirmation. Okay? We still got to wait. If it does get rejected, come back down here and say it does roll down, we still got to wait for that too. But or it could FOMO and then just reverse on us. Which we would look around this area or this area to see if we get a double bottom or something like that. That's also a possibility. So I'm just giving you guys, I want to give you guys every possibility, because obviously no one could be there for every second and things moved so fast, right? So I'm just giving you every possibility here. Now, because this could happen soon. This is why I'm making this video now. Now we're going to look at the daily, right? Now we're going to look at the moving averages, because this is very important. These are strong moving averages, right? We got the 10 EMA right here, the red line. Okay, this is actually a good thing. We're above it, okay? And it looks like we might cross on the 20. We have to get above the 20, though. 20 is going to fight us. This blue line and this green line, the 200 is going to fight. This is a 200-day moving average here, guys. This green line. These can act as resistance, okay? Then we got the 50 and the 100 up here. So these are things that could block us. They could play defense on us, okay? We could come out of this triangle, everybody could be happy. We're thinking, oh, we're going up to 48, right? We're going up to this level. We're going up to this level here. And all of a sudden, we get blocked. Or, oh, we made it past the 20, and then we hit the 200, and then boom. So we got to be very cautious even at those levels. Okay, guys? And we got some resistance at the 42 level. So we got to just stay cautious here still. We got to wait for confirmation. And then we got to worry about, we got to just keep this in mind, okay? Because if you do get confirmation and we do get a bounce right here, you could buy this bounce. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. You paper trade this. This is just for educational purposes only. But if it was me and I was trading this, I would wait for confirmation. Excuse me. I would wait for confirmation to come up, and I'd wait for this move, right? And right here is where I would go to look to buy. Right at this moment right here is where I would go to look to buy. Because what you could do is once you come down for this confirmation and you see that bounce, you could buy that bounce and then put your stop loss right underneath it. Because we don't want to fall back. We fall back into this pattern and then we're negative again. But this move is happening at any minute, guys. So that's why I'm making this video. This could happen within the next couple hours, by the end of the day, early in the morning. This move is coming very soon. And it's going to be a big move to the upside or the downside. Or we got to be patient and watch for these moving averages. And that's why I brought the moving averages on my screen. I wanted to show you guys, and then this would be the next level we'd be looking at. After we pass this 48, of course. Then we come up to this level. But one step at a time, guys. We chart one step at a time. But that's why everything right now is kind of just not moving. It's just moving sideways and moving slow because we're all waiting. We're all waiting to see what Bitcoin's going to do. Okay, back to the 4 hour. We're waiting. We got an hour and 15 minutes before this next candle close. We do have a moving average here. This would be the 100 on the 4 hour. So, I mean, it's not as strong as the daily, but let's just keep this in mind. Okay, we do have some blockage here. Now, what are we going to do? Are we going to break? Because this is what's going to happen. If we do break this little trend that I drew in this trend, okay, these are little tricks you can do. If you do break this, the possibility of us coming back down here to retest this is very high. Just like I said in yesterday's video, if we broke it, which I thought we were at the time, but we didn't. So, yeah, so you just got to watch that. But this is why you don't make a move until you see that happen. I didn't make a move on this because I was thinking, well, it's a better trade down here. Okay, it's not a better trade right here. So I want to make high percentage trades here, guys. That's what we're doing. We're not just taking trades anywhere. So this was not a trade for me. Okay. Now, like I said, if this breaks down, we could test this, and maybe this is a trade here with a tight stop. Okay, it's risky though, but tight stop. But you're not risking much. You're not losing much here. Okay, and then you're hoping for a bounce and then a rip, because like I said, the farther in this move we go, the stronger the move will be. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, and this is for all cryptos because Bitcoin's the king. It runs them all. Okay, so you look at the Bitcoin chart before you do anything. Okay, it's the first thing you do, because then you know if your altcoins are going to run. Okay, you're going to know if other coins are going to run. So let's just keep an eye on Bitcoin right here. I'll get this content out to you. Guys, follow me on my YouTube channel. It's Moondog Trading. And then if you can't find me there for some reason, you can always go to my Twitter, which has my YouTube channel, and that's Moondog Trading 1. Okay, Moondog Trading 1. And that's my Twitter, and you can find my YouTube channel there as well. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and I'll give you guys an update, and hopefully we'll have some more clarity by then. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a blessed day.